Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and today I'm going to be showing you my simple compression battery box build for my lithiums. And to start off with, what I'm using for separators is just some common dollar store placemats right here. And I mean, these aren't just some cheap cardboard stuff. These are kind of rubbery and stiff, so I believe that they'll work out good as separators. And then you just get your sides cut of 3/4 plywood and the bottom, and set it down in place. And what I'm doing to start out with here is I'm compressing the bottom, and I've got 3 threaded rods, the outside and one in the center, and pre-compressing it. And I'm not using really excessive pressure on it. They're just like good and snug. So then the reason why I'm starting on the bottom there is because what I'm going to do is on this overlap on this plywood here, I'm going to take this 2x4 here and I'm going to screw it down to the plywood underneath. And once I get both sides done, that'll hold the spot of where I've got the threaded rods compressed at, where I can take these threaded rods out and move them up to the top. And once they're moved up to the top, then this box will be done. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll take a picture of it after I get done with it. And that'll be the end of it. That's about as simple as it gets. I'll be back in just a sec. All right, there it is, gang. It's all finished up. Ready to go. That's all there is to it. No big deal on building one of these things. And I had to pick the thing up, and actually if I put some handles on this thing, I could tote it around myself without having to use a hand truck or anything like that to move it. So it feels like it's probably about 100 pounds or something like that. So not bad. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.